Hello everyone, it's me again. This is my third winning in the Yardi 10K competition with number 40. So I'm gonna be unboxing this. So let's get right into it. Easy to win. All you have to do is refer 3 persons, have them sign up and complete their shipping address to become perfume number 1. And let's see what's this. Let me get it out. Okay, let's cut it. Get out. Anyway, super excited. Thank you. Best shipping company by far.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.